and went back to the wild side of life. You wouldn't read my letter if I wrote you. You asked me not to call you on the phone, but there's something I want to tell you. So I wrote it in the word of this song. I didn't know, got me honky-tonk angel. I never know, you never made a wife. You gave up the only one who ever loves you, and went back to the wild side of life. Oh, the glamour of the gay nightlife had moved you to places where the wine and liquor flow, where you want to be anybody's baby, and forgot the truest love you ever known. I didn't know God made honky-tonk angel. I might have known you never made a wife. You gave up